In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly with Google Calendar. Let's start by navigating to the Calendly homepage. If you're not already familiar, Calendly is a powerful scheduling tool that simplifies appointment booking. It integrates seamlessly with Google Calendar, making sure all your important events are in one place. Once you're on the Calendly homepage, locate the Integrations and Apps option. This is where Calendly offers connections to various apps and tools to enhance functionality. Click on it, and you'll see a list of possible integration partners. Scroll down until you find Google Calendar. This service allows you to automatically sync your events across platforms, keeping everything organized. Once you find Google Calendar in the list, go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to a page with further options. Here, you'll see the option to Connect Calendar Account. By selecting this, you initiate the process that will link your Google Calendar with Calendly. This connectivity ensures that any meeting you schedule in Calendly will be directly added to your Google Calendar, preventing double bookings or missed meetings. Next, choose Google Calendar G Suite from the options provided. Most users will select this as it caters to both personal Gmail accounts and organizational G Suite accounts. This selection sets the stage for the integration process, which is straightforward and user-friendly. Now you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account if you aren't already. Don't worry, this step is secure and necessary to authorize Calendly to access your calendar data. Simply select the Google account you'd like to connect, and make sure to grant the required permissions. Trust in this step is crucial because it allows Calendly to read your events and effectively manage your schedule. After you select your account, click on Continue. This action finalizes the connection, syncing your Calendly account with Google Calendar. Your newly integrated Calendly and Google Calendar accounts will help you stay on top of your meetings with automated updates and reminders. And that's it. Your Calendly is now successfully connected with Google Calendar. You've empowered your scheduling tool to work seamlessly with your calendar, providing you with more time to focus on what truly matters without worrying about your schedule. This integration simplifies your daily operations, ensuring all your plans are accurately recorded and easily accessible. Thanks for watching today's guide. Make sure to explore all that this integration offers, and you'll soon notice a boost in your efficiency and organization. Happy scheduling!